Happy Tuesday. It's going to be a hot one today, and at work, I'm so excited. We have an ice cream truck coming for the staff so they can enjoy a nice cool treat on a hot day. It's supposed to be about 94 today. And it's already hot. Anyway, Optavia 5-in-1 going amazing. I feel wonderful. I'm back into it hardcore. It is just, you guys know, I love it. So I wanted to start off my day with the Mocha Blast shake. One of my faves because I have to add nothing to it other than water and ice. Sometimes with the chocolate shake, I like to add PB2. Sometimes with vanilla, I like to add in some extract and things, but the Mocha Blast, you literally need nothing. So I don't have to use a condiment. I don't have to use anything. Have my fuelings packed, have my jug of water, and I am actually on the way to the bank to pay my rent. And today we go into attorney review. So excited. So anyway, I'm going to bring you along the day, and I will see you at the next fueling. See you later. Hey guys, okay, next fueling is going to be a peanut butter bar, and the ice cream truck will be here soon, so I'm filling up before that happens, so there's no temptation, and enjoying the day. I will be putting in a couple pictures to show you the ice cream truck and what happened and all of those things, and I'll see you at the next fueling. Bye guys. Hey, so we are outside waiting for the ice cream truck to arrive. I just alerted all of our staff in our post-acute building as well as our assisted living across the campus. I believe, is that the ice cream truck? I think I see it. I think it's coming. I'm super excited and can't wait to show you guys. And we are going to enjoy some sweet treats. And I think that's the ice cream truck coming now. So exciting! Surprising our nurses and physical therapists and dietitians and just everyone who works so hard. Just doing my little part. What you getting, Ivy? What are you gonna get?
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome
Chocolate chip cookie. I escaped. I'm in the bathroom having my chocolate fudge drizzled bar. Work will be ending soon, so I'll head home, have my lean and green, and then I have one more fueling at the end of the day. So I will see you at that time when we're out of here, and we'll talk a little bit when I'm driving home. See you guys, I'm home from work. Sorry we didn't chat in the car. I totally forgot. I kind of zoned out. It was a long day. This is shredded cabbage, about 90 grams or so of raw cabbage, 7 ounces of shrimp, and I have 2 tablespoons of G. Hughes sugar-free balsamic vinaigrette as my fat. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna have a big bottle of water, and I'll see you at the last fuel. Hey guys, so it's the end of the night. I'm hanging out here on my cozy couch with my pillows. Got a horrible shadow across my face, but whatever. For the last fueling of the night, I made a mocha shake. Funny because I started off the day with one. But look at this one. This one's really thick with a ton of ice and water, and I have a spoon in it, and I'm gonna use the spoon as if this was, you know, some kind of frosty or, you know, like a treat rather than a shake. So that's how my day went. I'm doing great, guys. I am so excited to be back, and thank you for watching. And like I always love to say, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. And we're doing it together, guys. Me and you and me together. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great night.